Tennant Company, a leader in creating innovative solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world, brings you the 5700XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber, an aggressive system that delivers excellent down pressure and pad RPM for powerful cleaning. Scrubbing with a 5700XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber increases productivity, provides health and safety benefits, and simplifies maintenance, all with a low cost to clean. Scrubbing with Tennant's ECH2O technology eliminates costs associated with chemical purchases. Intuitive, easy-to-understand controls simplify training and operation. The Power Wand extends cleaning to areas where the scrubber can't go. Simplify maintenance with a squeegee system that never needs adjustment. Ergonomic design optimizes operator health and safety. Optimal water recovery minimizes the risk of slip and fall injuries. Tool-free squeegee replacement saves time and simplifies maintenance. Tennant's NFSI-certified ECH2O technology reduces the risk of slip and fall injuries. Easy-to-clean hygienic solution and recovery tanks reduce mold, bacteria, and odors. Quiet operation enhances operator and visitor health. Optimal water recovery eliminates streaks and maximizes soil removal. Optional HydroLink extends battery life and prevents premature battery failure. Simplify training and reduce rework with intuitive, easy-to-understand controls. An optional onboard charger improves productivity. The convenient debris screen prevents clogged hoses and drains, so you spend less time on maintenance. Optional dual vacs improve cleaning performance by increasing vacuum lift by up to 30%. Tennant's 5700XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber, providing exceptional cleaning results while delivering reduced costs to clean, health and safety benefits, and improved facility image. All in an easy-to-use and maintain battery-powered scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.